what I want to do with this individual mentoring program is basically hold people's hands through the process until they see for themselves just one good, successful trade. Because all we have to do is repeat the same things over and over. It's really not. So I've decided that it would be a good idea to just explain in detail to individual people that are requesting some further assistance. And all I would ask from the individual people is to determine what type of trading you would like to do best for yourself. Some people are more long-term oriented, don't have the time to sit and watch the real-time charts, and other people are short-term oriented by their very nature. So I can teach you whichever one or both that would satisfy your needs. And I'm going to walk you through primarily the things that I teach, which are volatility and the major market averages, plus this small list of things over here on the left-hand side of my chart here. And these are the 46 stocks that Dave posted in class last night. And those of you who were not in class, or for anyone that may require individual attention that's not even a part of the class, this is the list of stocks that give you the best options trading opportunities, but only when they have distinctive patterns and only when they are within proximity of the expiration strike price and date that would give patterns enough time to evolve and push the options prices significantly. So anyway, I'm looking for a particular type of pattern feature, and it was even evident in class the other day that my idea of the clear, perfect pattern doesn't seem to sync with so many other people, because I still have a lot of people thinking that just any divergence is the same thing that I'm teaching, but that is not true. And those of you who decide that you want to sign up for this individual mentoring program will discover very quickly that it's a certain type of picture. And I'm going to go through it very methodically so that you can see that you and your consciousness have to become one with the pattern features. So it cannot be that the two of you are separated from each other. You have to be as if you are the stock trading. And you can feel the pressure as a person, just like the stock price would feel the pressure to move a certain direction. I want you to be able to feel that energy being exerted against you. So then you'll know that, like if somebody's pushing you and you keep saying, well, why are you pushing me? Why are you pushing me? And then you just get out of the way. Just like if somebody's riding your bumper on the highway and you get tired of it, then you either accelerate and get out of the way, or you go to the side. So the stock market is the same way. When so much pressure is being exerted against the prices, then they move. And it's that movement that creates good options opportunities. But you'll be able to see it before. This is a very cumbersome thing for so many people. You'll be able to see it before the price moves. And I want to make sure that before we part ways in this mentoring class, that you will see clearly what I'm talking about. And once you do this one time successfully, and you know why, then it may give you another time or two to prove that you know what you're doing, instead of saying you know what you're doing and see how the results are. There's no pressure because we can do this in like this kind of a program I have here, but this is real time, as you can see right here, where my cursor is. But this is a simulated trading environment, but it is still real time. So what you see here is what's actually going on right there, right now at this moment in time in the markets. So anyway, oh, this is Boeing options, by the way, here. Yeah, they were 10 cents this morning, and they moved up to about 70 cents. And just in case, I'll just give you a refresher. Boeing is one of those things on my list. And you see here, since the expiration for these options is tomorrow, you see how Boeing's stock price this morning was lower than it was over here. But the technical bottom on the 10-minute chart, is a 10-minute chart good enough when the options expire tomorrow? Absolutely. So anyway, the price was around 350, and now it's 357. See, so you see that the stock price itself moved up $7. So it's only like it's showing up here, maybe 1% move in the stock price, but yet the options moved up 600%. So anyway, I want people to be able to be comfortable with this process, and when they are, they'll be able to repeat it with a regular motion if they choose to, or determine when you have the time to do it and then do it then. But you'll always know what to look for. Like I always know what to look for. It never changes. And I want you to have that same level of confidence. Hope that this is some insight and evidence for maybe getting a little one-on-one coaching so you can get on the right pathway, and you'll be able to help validate the processes that I use, and you'll see that they work for you and they work for anyone. Anyway, have a nice day, and I will be looking forward to doing a little bit of one-on-one with a few people.